welcome to Arch Zenith. Is your home beautiful, but missing that deep sense of warmth and peace? Do you ever walk in and feel like something is missing, that indescribable feeling of comfort, belonging, and calm? That feeling has a name. It's called Hygge. And in 2025, it's no longer just a Danish philosophy, it's the soul of modern design. The perfect home style to frame it, the modern farmhouse. But not the version you've seen 100 times on Pinterest today. We're reimagining it, softer, warmer, and more soulful than ever. And in this video, we're going to merge the clean lines of modern farmhouse design with the Danish art of coziness, so you can turn your house into a true sanctuary. This is how to achieve maximum Hygge. Segment 1. The warm neutral palette, the canvas. Forget the cold, clinical whites of old design trends. Hygge is warmth, and warmth begins with color. In 2025, the modern farmhouse palette has shifted from bright white and stark contrasts into a cocoon of organic neutrals. Think creamy off-whites like Swiss coffee, grages that marry grey and beige for depth, and muted earthy tones, soft terracotta, olive green, or even clay-inspired shades. These colors don't scream for attention. Instead, they whisper comfort. They make your home feel like slipping into your favorite cashmere sweater, soft, warm, and grounding. This palette is the foundation of what's being called warm minimalism, a leading 2025 interior trend. It's not sterile minimalism, it's intentional living, spaces that feel clear but also deeply lived in. Segment 2. The texture revolution, the soul. If color is the canvas, texture is the art. Hygge isn't just visual, it's a tactile experience. The more senses you engage, the more soul your space carries. Here's where your modern farmhouse comes alive. Imagine sinking your feet into a thick wool rug at the end of the day. Picture yourself curled up on a sofa, wrapped in a chunky knit blanket, your hand brushing across the beautiful imperfections of a reclaimed wood table, mixing textures, rough and smooth, hard and soft, isn't just about style. It's about balance. Linen curtains that let in soft light, a nubby buccal armchair, natural stone countertops, and a handmade ceramic vase. Together, these layers create that irresistible, cozy energy. This is modern rustic charm at its best. It's not about perfection, it's about honesty in materials. Wood should feel like wood. Fabric should feel real, breathable, natural. That authenticity is what creates comfort. Segment 3. The Hygge Glow, the Magic. Light is everything when it comes to Hygge. It sets the entire emotional tone of a space. And harsh overhead lighting, it's the enemy. Instead, think of your lighting as layers. Floor lamps that bounce warm light upward, sconces with soft fabric shades that diffuse a gentle glow, and table lamps that create little islands of intimacy. These pools of light guide you through your evening, naturally inviting you to slow down. But the real magic, candlelight. Candles are non-negotiable in Hygge design. They flicker, they move, they breathe. They remind us of firelight and community. Whether you use real wax candles or safe LED versions, scattering clusters of them instantly transforms a space from cold to deeply calming. This is one of the ultimate wellness interior design secrets of 2025. Lighting that soothes your nervous system. Forget just decor, this is self-care. Segment 4. Layout and Personal Touch, the Heart. Visuals. Furniture grouped in a circle, shelves with favorite books, a dining table with flowers and candles. At its heart, Hygge is about connection to yourself, to your loved ones, and to the life you're building. That means your layout matters just as much as your style choices. Pull furniture away from walls and create cozy groupings. A sofa, a couple of armchairs, and a coffee table should form a conversation hub, not just a place to face a TV. Choose seating that's deep and comfortable, pieces that practically invite you to curl up and stay a while. Now, layer in you. This isn't about filling shelves with random decor. It's about showing your story. A favorite stack of books, a ceramic mug from your travels, your child's drawing framed and hung with pride. Bring in greenery, whether it's a potted olive tree in your kitchen or fresh-cut flowers on your dining table. Biophilic design, or the practice of weaving natural life into our homes, has been proven to reduce stress and boost creativity. And that is pure Hygge. When your home reflects you and invites connection, it becomes more than a space. It becomes a sanctuary. So, there you have it, the recipe for a cozy modern farmhouse that radiates Hygge. Start with a warm, earthy palette. Add textures that invite touch. Light your rooms with softness and candlelight. And most importantly, fill your space with your story and your soul. Remember, this isn't about following a strict style guide. It's about cultivating a feeling. A home that supports your well-being, encourages slower living, and wraps you in comfort at the end of every day. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What does Hygge mean to you? Is it a ritual, a corner in your home, a moment of calm? Share your thoughts and cozy tips in the comments below. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home design ideas. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss our next video on small space modern farmhouse solutions. Because yes, even the tiniest home can be incredibly cozy. Thanks for watching. Now go light that candle, pour yourself a cup of tea, and take a moment to enjoy the sanctuary you're creating. You deserve it.